If you know me, then you know I am keenly interested in the bugs in our guts. Why? Because the gut is our second brain, technically known as the enteric nervous system, which consists of about 100 million neurons embedded in the walls of the roughly 9-meter-long alimentary canal from our esophagus to our butt. Yes, we know we have a second brain in our guts, and we know there are millions of bugs in there too. And I, for one, want to know what the hell they're up to, which is why I found this story so intriguing. You see, researchers recently took a bunch of gut microbes in the form of feces from 3 to 4-month-old mice, which they say is the equivalent of young adults. And they transplanted all those bugs into old mice using a feeding tube twice a week for 8 weeks. And the results were astounding. Not only did the old mice's gut microbiomes begin to resemble the younger mice's, but there were actual changes in the old mice's brains. Their hippocampi, or region in their brains associated with learning and memory, became more physically and chemically similar to the hippocampi of the young mice. The older mice also learned to solve mazes faster and were better at remembering the maze layout on subsequent attempts. And they had controls in place in the study. Old mice were getting old mice poop transplants too, just to compare, and they did not experience the same changes. So the researchers concluded that the young mice poop with all the young mice gut bugs in it actually started to reverse the aging process in the old mice. As John Cryan, the neuroscientist at University College Cork who led the study, put it, it's almost like we could press the rewind button on the aging process, which is amazing. But not surprising for me, who's known for a long, long time that those gut bugs are up to way, way more than we realize. Critics of the study say that because the researchers checked for differences in the gut microbiome so soon after the transplants, there's no way to know whether the new microbes had truly moved in or were just passing through. And other studies have been conducted that didn't have the same results. But still, the study sheds new light on how our gut bugs work, which is great news to me. Because those little suckers affect our moods, our health, and now even our aging if this new research continues to check out. So, the more we know about them and work with them, instead of just against them all the time like we do, the better for all of us. The better even for the bugs who just want to live like we all do.